Hello and welcome back to Alyena's Kitchen, where today we're going to be making homemade tater tots. And what's even better, they're going to be stuffed with cheese. So let's get started. So what I have here is my potatoes after I peeled them and then partially boiled them as a whole potato for about 10 minutes, and then I grated them so we have this tater tot texture. And now I'm going to start seasoning. So what I have first is half a cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, and 1 teaspoon of pepper, half a teaspoon of dried basil, and 1 teaspoon of dried oregano. And then you can just get in and mix it all together. I'm going to use my hands because I find it's the easiest way to do this. Alright, so once your seasonings are all mixed together, you can start forming your tater tots. I like to take a small handful and then put a chunk of cheese in the middle and form it around the cheese. You can really use any cheese that you would like. I'm using cheddar today though. And here we have our perfect little tater tot shape. And it's really smart if you want to cool them in the freezer before you fry them. You can either deep fry them or pan fry them. Alright, so here I have, they're starting to tumble, my first batch of tater tots ready to put in the freezer. But I did have to make a few to make sure that they're good. And the best part of cooking is tasting, right? So here we go. Let's see how the cheese works. Ooh. Oh my gosh, okay. Hands down, delicious. I hope you guys enjoy as much as I do. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll be gone now because I need to eat all of these.